We talk much of neurodiversity, a new word for old ways of being. It points to different minds, different ways the brain might work. This is a good start, perhaps, a recognition of variety. But is it the whole story, or just a chapter? Let us consider another way. Think of body-mind complexities. This is not just about the brain. It is about the whole of us, the way we feel the world, the way the world feels us. It honors our deep connections, our intricate living selves. Neurodiversity often looks to the head. It seeks answers within the skull, as if the mind lives there alone. But our knowing is spread out. It lives in our skin, our gut, our breath, our bones. The body-mind speaks of this wholeness, this entanglement of flesh and spirit. Our quirks, our pains, our joys, they are not just thoughts. They are echoes of the world within us. This is a deeper understanding. Diversity is a word we use often. It means there are many kinds of people, many ways to be. This is important to recognize. We are not all the same. Our world is richer for this. But sometimes this idea can trick us. It can lead us down a narrow alley where new labels wait. We try to name things, to put them in neat boxes. Neurodivergent, autistic, ADHD. These names can be helpful. They can give us a place to stand, a community to find. But what if the box becomes too small? What if the label hides more than it shows? Names are necessary, it is true. They are like markers on a trail. They help us find our way. But a marker is not the landscape. A name is not the whole person. If we stay only with the labels, we might miss the wildness, the unique beauty of each being. Framing it all as diversity can be reductionist. This is what we seek to honor. Imagine a patch of land, a small corner of the earth, perhaps untamed, a little wild, full of different plants. Insects hum their tiny songs. Birds build their hidden nests. We could go there. We could make a list, catalog all the species we find. This list tells you what is there. The names of the flowers, the types of grasses, the creatures that crawl and fly. It is a kind of knowledge, but it does not tell you their stories. It does not speak of the ecology, how they live together, how the rain feeds them, how the sun calls them to grow. People are like this wild patch of land. Students in a classroom, neighbors on a street, each one a complex place, a unique inner world. Cataloging their traits, their labels, tells us something, yes, but it doesn't tell us their stories. The stories of their becoming, the relationships that shape them, the quiet wisdom they carry. The real story is deeper down, in the soil of being. Woven worlds, the dance of self, place, and other. We are not separate stones, we are not islands alone in the sea. We are more like threads in a vast tapestry, woven together, influencing each other, constantly shaped by what is around us, by the air we breathe, by the people we meet, by the stories we are told. This is how we become. Relational configurations matter deeply. This means our connections are key. The environment is not just a backdrop. It breathes into us, changes us. Socio-cultural norms, the unspoken rules, they sculpt our thoughts, our bodies, what we believe is possible, what we learn to value or to fear. We are shaped by the dance between self and world. Our quirks, our unique ways of being, they do not just spring from inside us. They emerge from this interplay, this constant conversation between our inner world and the outer, between our body, mind, and everything else. Our sensitivities are responses. Our strengths are forged in relationship. Nothing about us is truly isolated. We are porous, open beings. This entanglement is our nature. The speaking body, embracing our full complexity. This is more than a neuro thing. It is about the whole body-mind. All our quirks, all our ways, they come from our senses, from our organs, our tissues, the flesh that feels and responds, the heart that beats with the world, the gut that knows things, the skin that meets the air. Our entire being is involved. Thinking of body-mind complexities helps us to reduce stigma. It moves us away from seeing difference as a problem located only in the brain. Instead, we see a whole person, responding to a complex world, in their own unique, embodied way. This is a more generous view, a more compassionate understanding. This perspective makes us more curious. It encourages us to go beyond labels, to truly see the person, not just the category they fit into. What is their story? How do they experience their world? This shift can help us to meet each other in our shared humanity and our beautiful, wild diversity.